So you want to know how to make a YouTube short on a PC, right? Where there's a training out there called desktop vertical video, and it's going to show you how you can create these YouTube shorts right from your desktop. So if you don't have a cell phone right now, you can still record your YouTube shorts. So in this back office, they go over everything what you're going to need. It's going to have a Google Chrome. You're going to need that. You're going to install that. He show you how to purchase the screen recorder to start doing your recordings, and it also goes into training about how to edit out pauses in your videos. So, and when you come back down here, you're going to see that you can do just about anything that you want to do that you was doing on your phone. You can do it on a desktop, guys. So when you go down here, you can also see that you can go do backgrounds in there, and you can also make money with this. So guys, if you want to check this out, and matter of fact, I am recording this on a desktop right now, guys. So if you want to learn how to do this, make sure that you check out the link in the description and like and subscribe to this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.